I'm decorating the back of this, and I had put some things up there a few weeks ago, and they actually scratched the paint up a little bit. So I was looking at this bottom. There's not any felt or anything on it. I collect candlesticks, and this one is wood. So what I'm going to do is, and I have a dining room table that has scratches on it from things I put on it that didn't have felt on the bottom. So I just got, I would prefer white, but I didn't have any. So I'm just using what I have. I would try to match the felt if I think it would make it nicer, but and I'm going to cut inside the circle, so maybe it won't show when it's sitting on the. You really probably wouldn't have to do the whole bottom, but I've done it with just little pieces before, and they would move around and come off. So I think I'm going to just do the whole bottom. But cutting inside. Alright, so then I'll see how it. Okay, so it is going to show a little bit unless I get it perfect. So I think what I will do is fold it in halves, trim it up a little bit into a pie. Of course, it won't be a perfect circle because I can't. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, so that will be good. And then I'm just simply going to take Elmer's glue, and you could use other glues, but I think Elmer's glue is plenty. And this should be ready to go. And I would highly recommend doing this to anything you're setting on painted surfaces or wood. Oh, that's great now. You can slide around. It's not going to scratch anything. And I wanted to show you. Now this is a soup terrain, and I found it at a store that carries a lot of used merchandise, and I only paid $13 for it. I'd been looking for them, and they ran about, the ones I liked were about $55, $75. So it was a shade I didn't like, what I call ugly yellow white. So I thought, hey, I'm going to try something. I'm going to try spraying it. So I bought it. I bought a can of spray paint that I love, the color I love. Sprayed it, and it looks awesome. I'm so pleased with it. So now when I look for decorations, I don't worry about what color they are. I just get them and know that I can make them look like this. Picture, I got this at Home Goods. And I got these flowers at Hobby Lobby. I got these at Target, which I'm surprised, but Target, every once in a while, they don't have a lot of greenery, but what I have found has been super cool. Really like it. This I got at Walmart, and I tell you, the detail, it's not frayed, it's really a nice apple blossom. And these came from Pier 1. And the candle holders, I just collected them here and there. I don't think any of them are new. In fact, I'm sure they're not. And the candles I got at Walmart, and the one thing I've learned about Walmart are candles that you're using for display, you're not actually going to burn. Just be very gentle with them, because The last time I bought candles like this, I roll them around, whatever. But I'm very careful with these so they'll last much longer. And I see I need to trim a little bit of my felt off the bottom, just a couple places. But this is kind of the look. And